Wahl USA stainless steel, lithium ion. Cordless beard trimmer. All-in-one beard trimmer. Includes 3 multi-purpose attachments that are perfect for all facial hair and beard styles. T-blade, rotary personal trimmer, and detail trimmer. Perfect for touching up haircuts, trimming ear and nose areas, and beard trimming for a complete grooming system. The blades are long-lasting for outstanding performance in a hair and beard trimmer. Cordless rechargeable. Beard trimmer for men is equipped with a long-running lithium-ion rechargeable battery that lasts up to 3.5 hours on a full 1-hour charge and has a 1-minute quick charge for 3 minutes of use. Featuring 8 T-blade guide combs for beard trimming from short, 1/16, to long, 1/2, and a 10-position adjustable guide comb ranging from 2 mm11 mm. To buy this awesome product from Amazon, just check the link on the description and comment box.